welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Liquid Ocelot. Guys, we are continuing our course, the ultimate medium.com course, part 28 of 30. Why you should keep this fact in mind that medium.com is a long-term game, my friends. Well, my friends, everything success in life doesn't come easily. You have to work on it for long periods of time, and then you can expect the good results to start coming in. Short term success looking people looking for short term success will never succeed on medium, my friends. It's a long term game, and people who have been consistently writing for over years and years of practice, they are successful now on medium, my friends. I'm on my stories page, and if you look, I have been continuously posting content on October, since October, since September actually, but in November and December and January I posted almost 100 plus medium stories, my friends. So I am really successful now, to be honest with you, because of the consistent writing that I am doing on medium. Consistently writing, and if you look at my stats, my friends, stats don't lie. I'm going to show you something, a couple of things actually. Last 30 days, 62,964 views, 19,600 plus reads. And we look at the previous 30 days, 25,000, 25,000 and 5,800. So it is almost over 220% increase, increase in views and reads. 220 plus percentage of reads and views because of the consistency, my friend. Look at this stat, over 350% increase from November to December. This is an amazing stat, and I think this is very important to see, my friends, that consistently that I've been writing even in those dark times when I didn't get those views. I wasn't getting any views in September, in August, in July I didn't even write anything. So from in January 2022, I'm going to refresh it. So you get the point, my friends. You will be successful on medium if you continue. You think this in your mind, this reality check, that it is a long term game, my friends. It's not a short term game, it's a long term game. And eventually, after writing you every day for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, you will start seeing success, my friends. Your audience will develop and you will start seeing success. It's as simple as that. I showed you the stats even to prove it. Thanks for watching, my friends. Stay tuned for part 29 coming right up.